Are you tired of settling for subpar kitchen appliances that just don't cut it? Do you dream of whipping up gourmet meals and delicious smoothies with ease? Well, your culinary dreams are about to come true with the Ninja BN751 Kitchen System. Get ready to elevate your cooking game to a whole new level. Let's kick off this review by talking about power. The Ninja BN751 is armed with a robust 1200-watt motor and 7-speed blending capability. Whether you're making silky-smooth smoothies or crushing ice for your favorite cocktails, this kitchen system handles it all with precision and finesse. Say goodbye to uneven blends and hello to restaurant-quality results. One of the standout features of this kitchen system is Auto IQ technology. It takes the guesswork out of blending, pulsing, and pausing for you. With intelligent programs tailored for smoothies, ice cream, and more, achieving the perfect texture is as easy as pushing a button. Say goodbye to lumps and hello to silky perfection. Now, let's talk versatility. The Ninja BN751 isn't just a blender, it's a culinary powerhouse. Included with this system are various attachments and containers, from a powerful blender pitcher to Ninja cups for single servings. Whether you're crafting soups, sauces, or smoothies, this kitchen system has you covered. Plus, it's designed to save space on your countertop, so it won't overwhelm your kitchen. Are you committed to a healthier lifestyle? The Ninja BN751 supports your journey with nutrient extraction capabilities. Its Pro Extractor blades break down fruits, vegetables, and seeds to release hidden nutrition. You'll enjoy delicious and nutritious smoothies that fuel your day. Who has time for a complicated cleanup? With the Ninja BN751, cleanup is a breeze. The blender pitcher, Ninja cups, and blade assemblies are all dishwasher safe, so you can spend less time scrubbing and more time savoring your culinary creations. In conclusion, the Ninja BN751 Kitchen System is a game changer for food enthusiasts and health-conscious individuals alike. Its power, precision, and versatility make it a must-have in any kitchen. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a smoothie aficionado, this system empowers you to create culinary masterpieces with ease. So, if you're ready to elevate your culinary game and transform your kitchen into a culinary haven, the Ninja BN751 is your ticket to culinary excellence. Say goodbye to kitchen frustrations and hello to a world of culinary possibilities. Ready to take your culinary creations to the next level? Click the link below to explore the Ninja BN751 Kitchen System and embark on your culinary journey. Your taste buds will thank you. Thank you for tuning into this review. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more kitchen gadget reviews, and share it with your fellow food enthusiasts. Stay tuned for more culinary adventures.